Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken for Caesar salad. First, select boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. Pat them completely dry with paper towels to achieve a perfect sear. Season both sides generously with salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavor of the chicken, making it a delicious addition to your salad. Get ready for a quick and tasty meal. There are several easy ways to cook your chicken. For a quick method, pan-sear it in a hot skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, until it's golden brown and cooked through. Alternatively, you can grill it over medium-high heat for 6 to 8 minutes, flipping once. Baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes also works wonderfully. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken is cooked, let it rest for about 5 minutes on a cutting board. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the chicken moist and tender. Then slice it against the grain into half-inch thick strips. This technique ensures every bite is tender. Finally, combine your perfectly cooked chicken with crisp romaine lettuce, crunchy croutons, and your favorite creamy Caesar dressing for a truly satisfying salad. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece. For an extra flavor boost, consider marinating your chicken for at least 30 minutes in a simple Italian dressing before cooking. If you're really short on time, using pre-cooked rotisserie chicken is a fantastic shortcut. Just shred or slice it. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks, so check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.